Hi there, Annika. It's Marcy shooting your video for you. Now, what I'm going to do in this video is just go over a few things that you can do if you wanted to beat your competitors in the search engines. Now, so I don't forget, because I noticed this here, one of the things, especially nowadays with everybody and all the shenanigans on the internet, Google tends to be giving preference in the rankings to sites that are secure. And I don't know if you're aware or not, but your site is not secure. It's not a big thing. It doesn't take much to secure it up, but that might be something that you want to do. And just another pointer. So when I hover over and the hand goes, that means that's going to direct me someplace else. It's always great to have a clickable phone number, right? So that when somebody's searching, with everybody searching on mobile these days, if your site comes up, if they can just click the button and then be talking to you, definitely helps. So see, serving Langley and Lower Mainland. So I'm hoping that Abbotsford, that was the search that I did when I found you, was in appliance repair, and I'm in the Abbotsford area. So just a quick go over how Google will lay out their first page, because of course that's where you want your business, that's where all the clicks are going. Paid ads are going to be up top here. And then the second section is the Maps listing, or Google My Business listing. And if you can get into one of these top 3 spots, that's pretty cool too. Statistics show that probably 40–50% of the sales are going to the businesses that show up. This isn't always going to be these 3. It depends on whatever search term that I put into the browser. And then down here, this is called organic rankings. This business here, I've taken him sort of as an example so I can show you why it is that he sits here in this #1 spots. But organic, the reason they call it that is that he's not paying. People can click here and it's not costing him anything to be in that #1 spot, because it's due to the things that predominantly that I'm going to go over. Now, what I'm going to go over is content, backlinks, and citations. So if we take your site here, by content I just mean it's a fancy way of saying the words on your page. Now Google, they've set up their algorithms, they're smart. Like, I can see how you've got words here, the words that you'd want, the service that you're offering. But you could see that refrigerators, is somebody buying a refrigerator? Is somebody wanting a refrigerator moved? Like, if we want to be more specific. See, Google wants to keep people on their search engine. That's how they make money. So when somebody puts a term in here, they want to offer up the most relevant results. And so that's why some websites will show up higher than others due to these factors. So definitely, the nice thing about content is most websites don't have enough content. Google wants to see 1,000 to 1,500 words. So it's very, very beatable. If you chose to go out and compete with your competitors, they're easy to beat most cases. Now, that guy that was in the #1 spot, you can see he's got a bit more, but not a whole pile more, right? Easy to beat, real easy to beat. So move on to backlinks. That's what's going on behind the scenes. So an easy way to sort of say what a backlink is if you think of the internet as a popularity contest, then a backlink would be a vote, right? A backlink is when another website on the internet has linked to yours. So in Google's eyes, that's a vote for you, right? So they've got the crawlers going out and checking out all the websites, and if you've got people are linking to you, they're like, hey, this guy's he's getting some attention from the others. So it must be relevant, and then if his keywords fit in. So this fella is being found for 362 keywords with the content that he has on his website, and that brought him 329 visitors, traffic to his site last month, giving him equivalent value in advertising of about $1,400, right? So I took your site, I put it into the same tool so we can see what's going on with the SEO. It's showing me that you've got 9 referring domains, giving you 46 backlinks, and you're being found for 7 words. So let's see what's going on there. Mainland appliances. See, appliance repair Langley. That's definitely what somebody's going to be putting in into the search engine. You can show, it shows over here our position. It shows how many searches there are. Like there's 100, last month there was 100 people searching for appliance repair Langley. Here, however, though, probably you're showing up second, third, possibly page. You've come up a bit in the rankings. If we take this fella here and we see where he's got, see his positioning, he's in the 3rd position. For this one, first position, first position, first position. So, you know, that's where you're wanting to be, is up there in that 1st position. Interesting that he's showing up for Winnipeg. And then citation. So that's how your content, you know, your keywords and your content works. And then if we go into citations, this is a citation. So any place on the internet where your exact name, address, business name, address, and phone number is listed, that's a citation. So the more places, again, that you're showing up in directories, etc., then Google sees that as relevant. You're relevant then. So you can see that when I put it into a local citation finder and how you were showing up there in the top 3 for the maps listing for that search term, then here you are showing up because you have, you know, a fair number of citations. But once again, just like the content, just like the backlinks, you can go ahead and get more, beat your competitors, get more, and it's going to push you up in the search engines. So thank you for taking my call today, Anita. I hope you found this information useful, and thank you for watching my video. Once again, my name is Marcy.